Hi everybody, today I am going to show you how to create an Independence Day poster in Canva. So go on create a design and click on Instagram post, and after that here is our page, and now go on elements and search here evening sky. Evening sky, yes. After that wait a second for results, and take this photo here. After that set this image as a background and do a transparency look, and process, and right here Qaide Azam, because we are gonna take Qaide Azam Mizar, so that's why we need Qaide Azam Mizar. Wait a second. So take the first photo in photos section and adjust this. Mm, like I am adjusting, so I have adjusted my image. Now go on text, but first of all remove the background of Qaide Azam Mizar. Wait a second. Okay, so now background is removed. Remove this text from here because we don't need this, and go on elements, across, and scroll down and go on frames. Click on see all, and search here L. I will search here 7 and click on the first one, and wait a second, it's loading. And now adjust this. This should be look like this is on the back of Qaide Azam Mizar. So we go on 3 dot, click on layer and send backward. And now go on frames and search here 8, because this is this is 78th birthday of our Independence Day, Pakistan. Okay, so take it from here and now adjust this. So make sure that your sizes are the 8 is not too big, and they are same. Sizes should be same. And after that you have to search here white and green gradient. Wait a second for results. Results are started. So, and take this second, and now go on the colors and click on the plus and click on the gradient and change the color green and white. So add here a green, and on the second hand add here white, and now change the style like this, and now it's okay, and now this is okay. Now copy the style of 7 from here and paste this. Okay, so now you can see that these are looking same, and this is making our design little bit better. And and now go on the and now adjust this in the this should be in center, and now go on the text, add the text, and right here show the August, 14 August, because our independence date is 14 August, so that's why we have to add this. And select the capital letter and change the writing to Garrett, Garet. So this is a writing that is simple, so we should add a simple writing here. Wait a second, until we have changed the color of our text into white, because this should be matching with our flag. like Pakistan green and white flag, so that's why. And now take the carrot writing. And now you can see here that this is simple writing and this is looking much beautiful. And after that, just this and duplicate this. And because we have to add th after 14, so that's why we are doing this. And uh, decrease the size and add this in the up of the 14. Wait a second. Okay, so now you can see this is looking too much beautiful and I really love it. And now go on shapes, add this box. After that, go on the colors, click on the plus, go on the gradient. And in the first section you have to add black, and second you have to do a transparent, because we are making a gradient to discover our text, so that's why you will see. Okay, so adjust this down of the image. This should be show some texture, not too much. And so, okay, so I have adjusted this, and now you have to go on the text and add your text here. And like I am writing here is 78 years of independence, and now you have to change the writing to carrot, and go on the arrow and select the bold, because we need some bold writing. This is our main text, so that's why. And change the color to white and do a line spacing low, and adjust this. And now decrease the size and go on effects and add outline in the black color. After that, again adjust this by yourself. Okay, so wait a second. Now duplicate this and add your other text here. But do the original writing, like regular writing. Use the regular writing here and paste what you want. Add your text and now adjust this. Minimize the size and adjust this by yourself. And now I am like adjusting. I think that years of independence should be not in 2 lines, but let's see. Type here green glitter background. Wait a second for results. And now take the first one in the graphics section, adjust this to all page, and now do a transparency low of this. Now you can see there are some glitter showing in our design, and this is looking much beautiful. And now you have to wait. I am watching it, how this is looking beautiful. And now click on 3 dot and go layer and send this to back. So now our background is looking much beautiful. And now click on the 7 letter and add the weight, add the outline, select 2 and copy this style and again paste the style. So now this is looking much better. And now I think that this should be in 1 line, so that's why. Okay, so I have adjusted this in 1 line and decrease the size of this, and now adjust this as a heading, because this was this is looking too much overloading, so that's why I do this. And adjust this. You can set you can adjust this by your own. I am not saying that you should just copy my style. You can just add some graphics and some elements by yourself. And now take the box in the shapes section, duplicate this and minimize the size, like make it like this is looking like a line. We are just giving a texture of our flag. So our flag color is green and white, so that's why I have added this here. Now go on the position and group this, select these two, select these two options here. Select these two lines and group this, and now minimize, make it just looking like a line, and now adjust this in the down of years of independence, because the years of independence is our heading, so that's why this should be bold, and after that we should add a line. Okay, so now adjust the text, and now add the body weight to 2% of our lines. Okay, so now this is looking a little bit much better, and after that you have to add. After that, go on elements and search here, because we are searching for that thing that is not available for the Pakistan in Canva, so we are searching for India icon. So after that, go on the graphics. We can make it for like in our color. So go on graphics and take the fourth graphic, and now adjust the size, increase the size. Okay, so now you can see that here is the India colors, and we are making a poster for Pakistan. So duplicate this, and now I double click on this and adjust this like 8 circle to the 8 circle, and send the back one. Okay, wait a second, I am adjusting. Wait. Okay, so now go on the position. Okay, so now go on position and select the background that we have not adjusted, and select the second one and take this to up. Take this to up of the back layer, and now this is looking much beautiful, because in the 80, and now we are doing our Pakistan colors in this, and like here in the first section I am adding white and do this all white, and second in the back section I am adding all green, so this is looking, I think, much beautiful. Wait a second for result. Okay, so it's good. I think that we should do this. And now you can see that this is looking much beautiful. And don't worry about the icon, about our flag, because I am adding also my flag. Search here Pakistan flag icon and take this circle one and minimize the size of this, and adjust this in this, replace this to the Indian flag, and now you can see that this is looking much more than beautiful. And wait a second, I have not noticed this, but adjust this by the 8, because this is looking too much good when this come from the 8 circle. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you like it, and subscribe to learn more about Canva. Thank you so much. Bye bye.